Hi, I'm Lisa with iHeart Pacific Northwest. In this video, I'll show how I use the Hele Box Solo bed platform for camping in my car. Note that I purchased this with my own funds and did not receive a free sample, nor do I benefit from sales of it. I just really like it. I've been going on camping trips and sleeping in my car during the winter months for over 5 years now. For my first camper, I built my own bed platform using wood that I already had. When we replaced our older car with a 2025 Honda CR-V Sport Hybrid, I needed a new bed platform. After researching many options, I purchased the Hele Box Solo. The frame is made of aerospace-grade aluminum and is easy to put together, while the top is made of wood slats with elastic webbing that can be rolled up for storage. And it costs about a quarter of the other platforms I considered. I was looking for something that didn't require removing any of the seats in my car, and it needed to be easy to set up and also easy to store when I'm not using it. I was also hoping to find a platform that would allow me to set up on the bed, unlike in my previous setup where I had very little room for movement. I didn't want a platform that took up the full width of the vehicle since I always camp solo in it and wanted more space inside for gear. I also like to leave up one of the back seats for sitting at night before going to bed. This bed platform is 25 inches wide and 72 inches long, so the size works well for a smaller car like the Honda CR-V. It's also the exact size of the foam camping mattress that I use. In my car, the back seats don't lay flat, and the back seat footwell is taller in the middle, so being able to fine-tune the height of the legs is important. The legs on the Helobox are independently adjustable in half-inch increments to accommodate uneven surfaces, and they feature a locking knob to prevent movement. Based on this, when it's all put together, the platform is very stable and doesn't move, even when I'm tossing and turning while sleeping. To get more headroom than I had in my previous setup, I purchased Hele's Stubby's legs so the platform would sit lower in my vehicle. This meant giving up a bit of storage under the platform, but now I can sit up on the bed. I'm 5'1", so this is not likely to be the case for taller people. If you set up the frame using the standard legs, the carrying case that comes with it can fit under the platform for gear storage. Assembling the platform is easy. Just attach the poles for the frames, then add the legs using the included hex wrench. No other tools needed. I put the frame together in my living room, then carry it to my car to put in place and add the wood topper. I'm able to leave the driver's seat in the same position needed for driving. Taller people might need to remove part of the frame for driving and then finish the setup at camp. Instead of taking apart the platform after a trip, I keep the frame assembled and only detach the legs, leaving them at the height needed for my car. Then when I'm getting ready for a trip, all I need to do is add the legs. I store the frame behind my sofa and the legs in the carrying case included with the platform. Overall, I found that the Hele Box Solo is a great solution for camping in my car. Thanks for watching.